Then how do you sell on BitMart? And how do you sell from your wallet? All in this video. So welcome everyone to Digitals. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, join our Telegram channel. We're going to be seeing airdrop, alpha airdrop, secret airdrop that you need to start farming if you want to have the hope of making $500 and above. You get the point? Check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram channel. Want to sell your token on wallet? This is what you need to do. So I'll be using OKS wallet and MetaMask for those of you using those two wallets. Now, the process is the same. Now, if you come to your OKS wallet, then let's say, for instance, I don't have a CPEN on my OKS wallet, so I'm going to be using that token. It's still the same process. You get the point? So now let's say, for instance, this is my this one is my CPEN. All you need to do is that the token you want to convert or you want to sell to USDT, you just click on that token. So I'm going to click on this now. So when you click at the top, you are going to see swap. So you're going to click on swap. So after clicking on swap, you can see the token will be at the top, the one you want to sell. Then the what you want to turn into, let's say USDT. So let me try and look for USDT. USDT. Okay, is it? So then you select the amount of the token you want to sell. Let's say 500. Get. Then when you are done, you click on what? Swap. But mind you, for this, you will need gas fee. It's very important. You need gas fee, maybe like $1 gas fee. Just prepare your mind. And the gas fee must be in BNB. That's Binance Smart Contract, BS. So you need to get your gas fee. Now for those of you using MetaMask, it's still the same process. So when you come to your MetaMask, you're going to see your token, CPEN token. So I'm not having CPEN token on MetaMask also. So let's say, for example, this is your CPEN token. All you need to do is just to click on it. So when you click on it, you just select swap. Just the same procedure, very easy. So when you click on swap, so from there, you can see the CPEN will be here. Then the what we are changing it to, it says select a token. So you are going to select the token you want to change it to. Let's say, for instance, USDT. Then you enter the amount you want to change. Then when you are done, you click on what? Code. Mind you, you need gas fee. Now for those of you using BitMart, here is what to do. And before that, as soon as you turn into USDT, you can send it to any exchange and convert it into cash. You get the point? Now, this is what you do if you are using BitMart. So if you are using BitMart, all you need to do is to come to your account. So at the top search here, you're going to type on CPEN. CPEN. Can you see? This is CPEN spot. We are going to click. So this is a CPEN. It's telling us that trading will start in 5 hours. Now, as soon as trading starts, all you need to do is to click on what? Sell. You can see sell. So when you click on sell, then we have limit order here. Under that limit order you click, you can change it to what? Market price. That means if you want to sell it immediately. But if you want to set a particular price that you want to sell, you can use limit order. But we're going to be using market order. So we're going to use market order. That means we're selling immediately. Then here, so you check the percentage of the token you want to sell. You can see. Then the equivalent amount in dollars, you see it here. Then when you are ready, you can click on what? Sell. You got the point. It's as simple as A, B, C. If you have other questions, you can drop it in the comment section. Join our Telegram channel so that we can try as much as possible to be of help to you. See you at the top.